Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we are going to make Semolina Gnocchi with Sicilian Caponata. So Semolina Gnocchi is basically an Italian dish which is made from semolina. You can also use potatoes, some flour, some Parmesan cheese, some butter to finish it. So let's start making our Semolina Gnocchi. We have some butter, vinegar, chopped parsley, some thyme, some chopped garlic, sugar, salt, a diced eggplant. We have some suji here for semolina. We have some grated Parmesan cheese. We have some diced zucchini, diced bell pepper. We have some chopped onion, celery leeks here and diced yellow zucchini. We also have some milk, around 2 cups, salt and pepper for seasoning, olive oil. So let's start by cooking the semolina for the gnocchi. So we'll take around 2 cups of milk here. Add a teaspoon of thyme to it and some salt. Till this milk mixture boils, we'll just dry roast the semolina in a pan. So once the pan is heated, we'll add the semolina to it. So our pan is hot and ready. Now we add the semolina to it. Toast the semolina till it is nice and warm. This process will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So now our semolina is nice and aromatic, it's warm enough. So now we'll take this toasted semolina and we'll put it in the milk mixture. Add all the semolina into the milk mixture. And keep on mixing with a whisk. Make sure while doing this, no lumps have been formed. Now gnocchi is ready. Now we'll just season it with some salt, some pepper to it, and 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, and now you can turn off the gas. Mix this well. Now we'll grease this plate. Now take a plate like this. Add just a little bit of olive oil to it and we will grease it. Now we'll arrange the mixture into the plate and now evenly spread it. So our mixture is set into this plate. Now we'll keep it in the freezer and chill it for around 20 to 25 minutes till it is cold and it is set. So till our gnocchi is getting cold in the freezer, we'll start with the caponata vegetables for it. For the vegetables, we'll take around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we have around 1 tablespoon of chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of chopped celery and leeks. Next, we'll add some diced aubergine to it, teaspoon of chopped garlic. Now cook this for around 1 minute. Now we'll add 1 cup of red and yellow pepper. Now we'll add the green zucchini to it. 1 cup of yellow zucchini. Now cook the vegetables for around 4 to 5 minutes till all the vegetables are tender. Season with little salt, some pepper. Make sure you're cooking the vegetables on high heat so that your vegetables are very crunchy. Now add around 3 tablespoons of vinegar to it. Around 2 tablespoons of sugar. And mix it well. Now we'll add around 1 cup of tomato sauce to it. And some hand-toned basil. Now mix this well. We added vinegar and sugar to make it a little bit of sweet and sour in taste. Now simmer this for around 5 to 7 minutes. So our caponata vegetable is ready now. We'll just switch off the flame and we'll keep it aside for plating. It's been 20 minutes and now our gnocchi is ready. So to demold the gnocchi, now we'll take this, put a plate on top of it and then turn it around. So our gnocchi is properly set. Now we'll cut this and then we'll toast it on the pan. So if you have a fancy cutter like a round cutter or an oval one, you can also use those cutter. I will just cut it with a knife into square pieces and then I will grill it over. Now we'll just grill it on the pan. So for this we'll just take a tablespoon of butter. Now our butter is heated through. We'll just put the gnocchi on top. Now cook on one side for around 1 minute. It gets a golden brown color. Then we'll flip it on the other side. Now we'll turn the gnocchi on the other side. So our gnocchi is cooked on both the sides. Now we'll remove and we'll start the plating for this. Now our gnocchi and caponata is ready. Now let's start plating. Now finally garnish with some chopped parsley. Our semolina gnocchi is ready.